Hey, I wanted to tell you about a workshop that is coming up April 12th, 13th, and 14th. It's going to be a 3-day workshop. We are going to jump into some things that I've not done before in a workshop like this. And it's going to be called Make Art from Your Heart. And so this workshop is about creating something that is original, something that is an idea that you've had that you have then maybe practiced and then turned into an original painting. So I have a lot of questions in my creative community about this. How do you take an idea and it be an original idea and you turn it into an original painting? And so this workshop is only $15. It's going to last 3 days. We'll have 3 videos that are pre-recorded that will be delivered to you via email and in a Facebook group where everybody's going to congregate. And we're going to have 2 question and answer times. So we'll have an instructional video every day. It'll be sent to you in an email and it will be posted in the Facebook group. And then on Thursday and Friday nights of the workshop, we will also have a question and answer time in the Facebook group where I'll be live answering any questions that you may have that have to do with the videos that we've been doing. So if you're wondering if this workshop is for you, if you feel stuck, if you feel like you don't trust your own choices when you're making art, if you feel like you've been taking a lot of online classes that are like a full step-by-step tutorial where you basically do exactly what the teacher tells you to do and create a painting, but you don't know how to do that using your own ideas. This is for you if you feel overwhelmed and kind of confused by the abundance of contradicting information that's out there about finding your style. Also, if you are a self-taught artist like myself and you're confused about how other artists do find their style, how do you find your voice as an artist and make something that's unique to you? Maybe you keep referring back to an influential artist that you really like their work and you're afraid that your work is going to look like a copy of theirs. Or if you are afraid to waste supplies or mess up or make something that's not good art, then this is a workshop that I believe will help you a lot. So you're going to get assignments, you're going to get instructional videos, you're also going to watch me go from idea to a finished painting in these videos. So, but I'm going to really encourage and prompt you to walk through this and make your own original painting. So it's only $15. It starts April the 12th. If you're interested, I'm going to put a link down below and you can head over and sign up. And I hope that this will be something that will be very helpful to those of you who may be in the situation, the things that I just listed. If that's something that sounds like it would help you a lot, then come on in. And there's nothing tied to this, no commitment of any kind. You just pay the $15 and you're in. I'll send out emails and remind you when things are going to be happening. And I know it's a little far down the road, it's a couple of weeks away, but if you want to go ahead and jump in there, and you can be talking to the other artists that are already in the Facebook group, or if you would rather not take part in the Facebook portion, then you'll still get the emails that have the instructional videos and the assignments. So I'm really excited about this. This is my first workshop of this year and I haven't done a workshop in a while. So if you're interested, the link will be down below and you can click on it and it will give you more information.